Dr. Nick Muneza jizirengwa abantu babiri babihireho sample bagitwara kasese okugicebera. Nagira ngo bariyo nibatekaho uburyo bwona okurebuka ngo barwanisa Ebola mu ihanga okurabira mu buryo bwo kurwanisa abantu abari kurabira mu myanya etari mateka.
Babwire ikibazo dufite aho turugupimira abantu bari kwinjira kabunaga n'umuza akakanya urasanga turugukabya abantu intoki turukubatungamo kakuma kacu kari bari ufite umuriro mwinshi kitwa infrared thermometer. We are already screening using the infrared thermometers, making sure that we ensure hand hygiene to everybody that is passing through.
Mwatano gwa Uganda, DRC hamwe na Rwanda, Uganda yahereze kutekaho ebyokukolesa omukuchebera abantu okunaba engaro kandi nashaba abanya-Uganda bona okwegendesereza obulwaire obu obatari kwetegereza bamanyisa b'obushoborozi. Dr. Nick nagirangu endwara egi netambura omushagama, orufuzi, amachwante, enkari, amizi hamwe n'etutu.
Afite ubundi burwayi bari kurebeka bafite ubundi burwayi basorora ku mawodi ariko hanyuma ho batangira bamwe kuruka amaraso no kugira umuriro mwinshi kandi bimwe nibwo bumenyetso buba bwerekana ko wenda waba ufite Ebola. Ariko ntabwo ari Ebola izana kuruka amaraso yonyine, hariho n'ubundi burwayi. Ariko turavuga ngo none ko turi mu gihe ca Ebola.
Dan Kumwami, Deputy RDC wa Kisoro District, yagira ngo bahereze kunyweza ibyo kwerinda omuri Kisoro n'emyanya yona kurebuka ngo abararogo mahanga gaheru hamwe na heru ya Kisoro tubareta burwire.
Polisi yacu n'aba UPDF n'abandi bantu abafata ku by'umutekano bose borderlines zacu bacanika kugera mu nyangaro bose barahari megashonga abantu bari kuza babakebeye babascreeniza ufata n'abantu bari kunyura mu porous borders abari kunyura mu biti abari kunyura mu mashamba bari kubafata.
Haji Abdul Sebyara RDC wa Kisoro hajumirira byo kwerinda abo kwihasenta abantu abari kubana baceberwa hamwe no kushwijumwa. Ajizirengo ko bakubana babakwasa mu kuranisa endwara Uganda neza kuterera.
This information. You people, you have been telling me this road block is not helping us. You people. Our soldiers simply, who are there, the policemen, they simply say, you jump out of there and they go in the tent and they pick money. Haven't you been telling us those? That's what is happening. So what kind of people are we going to have? Now that's why I'm having these officers here. The major issue is now your team. How are we going to put them on board to understand the gravity instead of milking? Like these NIRA people were milking, people said 2,000 for the NIRA item, do this. Muzea has already made a pronouncement, no corruption, no sleep.
Obwahati omuri Kisoro bariyo nibagiraho enkiiko okurebuka ngu barwanisa Ebola. Mwatano gwa Uganda na DRC bunagana ebyokwerinda birya higuru okurebuka ngo abantu bana abengaro. Amakuru aga gashakwa Adoniya Twire omuri Kisoro.